Alright, YouTube, gonna do another range day tomorrow. So 30 round mag, 20 round mag in my AR-15 chambered in 300 blackout with my Palmetto State Saber lower and my Bear Creek Arsenal heavy barrel stainless steel 300 blackout, my Echelon OD Green full size, and my Hellcat Pro, and this is the comped version. Alright, so I'm going to be shooting some 9mm out of my Echelon, Hornady Black 124 grain, some Aguila 115 grain, some Blazer Brass 124 grain. That's some of what you see in the bag over there. And then some Federal 124 grain, some Remington 147 grain, and then some Monarch 250 round box of brass 115 grain. Then for the 300 blackout, there's going to be a mixture of Cellular and Bellet blue tips, and then some Liberty Overwatch, as well as some Hornady Black. That would be their 110 grain VMAX, as same bullet that's in the AAC, so I'll be shooting both types of that, the AAC version as well as the Hornady Black, and then the Saber blade black tips 110 grains. I'll be shooting quite a bit of that all together. And then this is just like a mixture of the Saber Blacks, the VMAXs from Hornady and from AAC, as well as Liberty Overwatch, and some Cellular and Bellet blue tip. They're all super because it's a 16-inch non-adjustable. It's not going to be suppressed, so that's why I went with 16-inch. More of a hunting gun than it is anything else. Alright, YouTube. See you.